Stop!
Bienvenidos a Kilimanjaro Safari. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro
Truck only does 8. So let's be very respectful of that 5,000-pound animal. Left hand side, that's the pink-back pelican. Only has a wingspan of 6 to 8 feet. And its back does indeed turn pink during the mating season. Now around this sharp right turn, we're going to go what is called pulley-pulley. Very slow and cautious, because neither you or I want to end up down in the river basin below with the most aggressive, most dangerous animal in the world, Nile crocodile. All 18 feet long, weighing as much as 600 pounds. And it gets that weight by consuming half that body weight at least once a week or every 10 days. So let's get off this rickety old bridge safely. Baobab translates into the tree of life. Looking for mom and dad, but I don't see them. And here on the ground, lying down, one of the small antelope, that's springbok. You're looking at the second fastest animal in the world, fully grown there. They can achieve a speed of almost 50 miles an hour at full stride when being pursued by a predator. And then off into the background, one of the more curious animals in the entire world, what the Africans call the wild beast. Tallest animal in the world can grow to a height of 20 feet. Or a giraffe in the background there. Being so tall, combined with their keen eyesight, and the fact that giraffes never sleep, they only kind of nap 3 to 4 minutes at a time, totaling maybe 45 minutes into 24 hours. And she needs all that weight in order to maintain her total dominance over the herd. Another one coming out. Let's see if we can get a better look up here as we cross the pond. We'll be looking to the left. Well, you can see this large baobab that we talked about. When this pond goes dry during a severe drought, you can actually see where the elephant is gouged and torn at the thin bark to get at the water in order to survive. Greater Flamingo Island. I think the flamingo is one of the more beautiful birds in the entire world. I think coloration comes from a substance called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene makes up their sole source of food, brine shrimp. You see some of them are starting to stand on one leg. They're beginning to nesting. Actually, they're going to sleep. 70 miles an hour in just about 3 seconds. And being one of the large cats, it is one of the most unique in the entire world. It is the only large cat that still purrs. Nocturnal hunter. She does all the work. And the male lion right there. He's usually sleeping. He'll sleep 16 to 22 hours a day. Largest cat in the world at over 550 pounds. Now the lionesses, they'll go out on nocturnal hunt, while the male stays at home and watch. Rhinoceros, not truly white. And take a look at the mouth structure, because white translates into wide, flat-lipped animal. Has nothing to do with color. The right-hand side on the ground, ostrich eggs, 3 pounds apiece, laid in the hot sun self-incubating. Water buck on our right hand side. If you're ever on a walking expedition, as its name says, it's always around water. Moisture as possible. Will not perspire or sweat until its body temperature reaches approximately 115 degrees or more. Horns shaped like a scimitar sword.